I don't see really schools in the same ways. I see schools as a gathering places for learning, but I see much more team teacher work. I see much more cross-generational learning. I see much more usage of top expert in the different areas, artists, scientists, writers who are connected to the school, not just like sometimes through extracurricular activities, but I think that education should and could become, and there is great examples of that, the question of society, putting all responsibility of education on schools are too much burden and mission impossible for schools. We have to see where the parents are, where your neighbor is, how you learn from the big institute nearby, how you learn in a park or in a nature. And I think that rethinking education is taking into consideration all resources existing in a society and putting them in charge, putting them together to support the education. I really would like to see much more understanding of the childhood as a time in your life